Another day, another story. Hey everyone, welcome back to Health from Home. In this video, we're going to show you how to make your home a healthier place to live. 1. Remove indoor air pollutants. Indoor air can be more polluted than outdoor air, as it can contain pollutants like dust, mold, pet dander, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, from products like cleaning supplies, paints, and furniture. These pollutants can trigger allergies, asthma, and other respiratory problems. To improve indoor air quality, use an air purifier that can filter out these pollutants, or open windows to increase ventilation. Avoid smoking indoors, and fix any leaks or water damage to prevent mold growth. 2. Use non-toxic cleaning products. Many conventional cleaning products contain harmful chemicals like ammonia, bleach, and phthalate, which can be harmful to both your health and the environment. Switch to non-toxic cleaning products like vinegar, baking soda, and Castile soap, which are safer and more natural alternatives. You can also make your own cleaning solutions using ingredients like lemon juice and essential oils. 3. Bring nature inside. Adding some greenery to your home can not only improve indoor air quality but also boost your mood and reduce stress levels. Plants like spider plants, peace lilies, and English ivy are known for their air-purifying properties, as they can absorb pollutants and produce oxygen. They also add a natural touch to your decor and can help create a calming atmosphere. 4. Use natural light. Exposure to natural light has many health benefits, as it can improve mood, energy levels, and sleep quality. Open windows during the day to let in sunlight and fresh air, and consider using light-colored curtains that can diffuse the light and create a softer, more natural glow. You can also install skylights or light tubes to bring in more natural light to darker areas of your home. 5. Reduce noise pollution. Excessive noise levels can be a major source of stress and can disrupt sleep, concentration, and productivity. To reduce noise pollution, use sound-absorbing materials like rugs, curtains, and acoustic panels, which can help absorb sound waves and reduce echo. You can also use noise-canceling headphones or earplugs to block out unwanted noise, or try creating a peaceful atmosphere with soft music, nature sounds, or white noise. By implementing these tips, you can create a healthier and more comfortable living environment for you and your family. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.